lokho kusinika u-prime cost angithi u-prime cost unelinye igama futhi siyaye simbize ngo-direct cost. Izwakala? Yes. Right, sesimtholile u-prime cost yini landelayo? Siqala ngama-sign thina siba nani?
Plus overhead cost.
Plus factory overhead cost. Yes?
Definition. Definition.
Yes, I have AMA definitions as the first part of our question. Says one. Yes. I didn't repair AMA definition, that's what define underwear. Work in a gym power. So no banner? It's no work done. Hang on.
Identify how the selling and distribution cost in total and revenue is changed over the 2 years.
The past 2 years,
Yes.
when I identify any is selling price and distribution cost. Siyamu information njengoba injalo. So selling and distribution cost. Asambe sombe. Selling and distribution cost, yes. Selling and distribution.